ಹಾಯ್, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಪೆಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಚುರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಇದರ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇರಲಿ. ನಾವು ಈ ಪೆಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಚುರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋದದು. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು, ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸಿದೆ. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದು ಎಂತಪ್ಪ ಆ ಫೀಲ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ನ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತು ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು, ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಸೈಲೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಆಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ತುಂಬ. ನೀವು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಈ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿ. ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿನ ಸಿಟಿಗಿಂತ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್. ಈ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆದರೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ, ತುಂಬ ರಶ್ ಆದರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಕಾರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಕನಕಾಪುರ ರೋಡ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ತೊಟ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಲು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ದ ಪೆಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಚುರಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೈಡ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಮ್ಮ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಭಯ ಆಯಿತು, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಭಯ ಜೊತೆ ಮೈ ಜುಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು ಅವರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೈಡ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ ಕೊಡೋ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. ನಾವು ಹೋದದ್ದು ಒಂದು 4:30 ಆ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ. ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಇದ್ದರು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳಿಸಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರ ಹತ್ರ ಅದನ್ನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ.
I'm having carrying babies.
So this is not a porcupine because porcupines grow more big. They'll have longer and sharper quills and they can release them. This is called as an African pygmy hedgehog. Okay, African pygmy hedgehog. They are native to Africa. Guys, if all of you keep talking, you won't understand what I'm saying. Bumbadi bum bum. Okay, so anyone in Prani, when they say bumbadi bum bum, it means we want all your attention. Okay, and when you hear that, you guys should just look at us and reply with bum bum. Can we try that? Yes. Bumbadi bum bum. Bum bum. Thank you so much. So the animal you see here is called as a hedgehog, And this is called as an African pygmy hedgehog. They're native to Africa. Pygmy meaning small, so they're the maximum size they grow up. You look at them, on top of their body they've got quills, and if you see the lower part, can you see the white part at the bottom? That's the softest and the furriest part. So what these guys do when they want to sleep or protect themselves is, they would just curl up into a ball like that. So all the soft part goes in and quills are on the top. So if someone tries to eat him, it would poke them and they would just drop it down. Okay? So you guys can't be holding him. I would get him close to you. You can slowly pet him from his head to the back, not the other way. Head to the So the animal you see here in my hand, Bambari Bam Bam. The animal you see here is called as an iguana, and this is a green iguana. His name is Ivan, and he's an adult. He's about 8 to 10 years old. They can live up to 20 to 25 years in captivity with proper care. And iguanas are native to South America. They are completely herbivorous, meaning they only eat a lot of plants, grass, fruits, and vegetables. And they can grow up to a length of 5 feet. Okay? So can all of you see the spikes on top of him? Yeah? These are called as pseudo spikes, meaning false spikes just have these to look bigger and to scare away predators. So iguanas are arboreal animals, meaning they live on top of trees. Okay, and their main predators are large birds. So they have these spikes just to make it look sharp and so that the animals don't attack on them. It's just like a defense mechanism. Okay, we'll place the iguana outside on the log. You can slowly pet him on his stomach. Just don't touch him on his head or the tail. He won't be comfortable with you people touching him on the head. We place him outside. You can slowly give him a stroke on his tummy. You can click pictures with him and then you can walk to the next side. Okay? You can walk out one by one.
Down. Is it snail?
No,
Snail, right? So many snails.
I'll pull it.
It's drinking water. See how it's drinking water. ನೀರು ಬರಂದೆ ಆರಾಮ್.
ನೋಡಿ ಲೈನ್ ಬೈ ಲೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಅದನ್ನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಆಯಿತು, ಬಟ್ ಪಾಪ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರಿಚಯ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಎತ್ತೋಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಆ ಥರ ಅದೇ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಎತ್ತೋಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
So you can just walk straight. We have 3 more sections. You can just walk. Our guides will be helping you. They'll assemble. They'll call you. Okay, thank you. No problem.
So donkeys are very clean and very intelligent and very hardworking animals. So, do you believe if I say they take a bath every day? I myself don't take a bath every day, but they do take a bath. They don't take a water bath, but they do take a mud bath. They roll in the mud and spread mud all over their body to keep their parasites away and to keep themselves cool. The donkeys usually belong to a hot and humid place, and that's the reason they do that. And they, you can see, they have comparatively very big ears. So just to liberate their body heat, they have that long ears, and they're very close cousins to zebras. You can see that. But we used to see a lot of donkeys earlier, right? Do we see them now? Why? Any other modes of transport can't reach. So, but these are nearly threatened animals. Their numbers have reduced drastically in the past 2 years. So kids, take a very close look. I don't think you will see a donkey in a very long time. So you can't touch, you can touch the donkey, but please don't try to touch the horse. I'll give you a blade of grass, you can feed either the donkey or the horse.
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅವ್ನು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಶು ಕೇಳಿ ಜಾಗ
Career again, huh?
Star tortoise will be in jail. Star tortoises are illegal to have as pets. They're Indian nature. First, this is a tortoise or a turtle? Tortoise or a turtle? What is the difference? Turtle. What is the difference between a tortoise and a turtle? Tortoise is an offspring. Okay, tortoise is a juvenile turtle. No. So tortoises have dome-shaped shells, elephant-like legs, and tortoise, if you ever put them in water, they will drown and die. Tortoise cannot swim. Okay, they're terrestrial. Whereas turtles live in water, they spend their lifetime in water. They come out on land either to lay eggs or to bask in the sun, which would cumulatively be a couple of weeks throughout the year. And they would have either flippers or webbed feet. These guys have webbed feet and claws also. Up and powerful, and they can even rip our fingers apart. So never approach them from the front of the face, always on their shells. And what do you think the shell is made of? What material can it be? Calcium, because it's a bone. Of course, this is a bone, it's a vertebrate and the ribcage flattened and merged together. But it's not a calcium. It's made out of keratin. Just like a nails and hair, the same protein is keratin. Aquarium.
The goats, we have two different types of goats here. You can see the tall black one over there, that one, and one more white one here. Indian native goats, and this is my African pygmy goat. The word pygmy means walk. It's a maximum size of pygmy goat. And I can go in and touch them, pet them. They also like to be petted, but please don't try to lift up any goats because they have just had their food, and if you try and lift them up, they're going to regurgitate it out. I don't think nobody wants goat vomit on this side. The next most important thing is that please don't try to feed them because we don't want them to be human fed. We want them to be as independent as possible when it comes to eating. And if
ఏం చేస్తలేదమ్మా క్యూటీ పాప నీ తర సింధు సింధు బాయిలి So this one is a rabbit, but in India we don't have rabbit. We have only hares. As per Indian Wildlife Act, you cannot keep any Indian wild species as pets. Okay, so you cannot keep hares as pets. It's illegal. And this one is not from India. All these normal rabbits which are available in India, they are native to Europe. These are European rabbits. Okay. Do you know how to hold a rabbit? By their ears or neck. Never hold a rabbit by their ears or neck. It's a wrong way of handling. Because when you hold a rabbit by their ears or neck, their body weight will be on their neck. So they will try to escape. They can easily break their backbone or spinal cord. So you should support their four legs and back. This is the proper way. And what do rabbits eat?
Carrots.
No, grass is their predominant diet. Because all these vegetables, especially carrot, it contains lots of sugar. It's not good for their health. So you have to give them. So now we are gonna keep these rabbits on your lap. So please sit back, join your legs, and never keep your hands right in front of them. Those who are done rabbits, you guys can go and stand right in front of the aquarium. Those who want to interact with rabbits, please come. Excuse me. Please come. These are called mealworms. Okay. Now observe. What they are doing? They are trying to jump. No. They are trying to catch. They are spitting water. Okay. So these fishes are called as archer fish or spitting fish. Okay. They are native to Australian mangrove forest. So in mangrove forest they cannot hunt underwater because the visibility will be very low. So what they do? Yes. There will be lots of small insects which will be sitting upon low level branches and leaves. They will target their prey and they start spitting water. Then that prey will fall down into the water and they can easily catch their prey. This is how they hunt. This is their hunting behavior. An adult archer fish, they can spit up to 6 to 8 feet in length. They can easily jump up to 3 to 4 feet. And they have 80 to 90% of accuracy. They can calculate the exact angle and they can spit. In India, we have the same species in Sundarbans, West Bengal. It's a mangrove forest. Okay friends, thank you.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಜನ ಇದ್ದರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಮು ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
Emu. Sure? Emu. Ostrich? Ostrich will only have 2 toes in each leg. How many toes they have in each leg? 3, right? So is this an ostrich now? No. These are all emus, world's second tallest bird in the world. You know which is the first tallest bird? Ostrich. You are right. You know how tall they can stand? Ostrich can stand up to 9 to 10 feet tall. Emus, world's second tallest bird, they can stand up to 6 feet tall. And we all be walking inside now. You can touch any of the birds, but not on the head, right? Before that, let me ask you a question. Who do you think lays eggs in emu? Male or a female bird? Anyone? Male. It is always the female bird. Male bird will never lay eggs. never the male bird. But the male bird incubates it. When I say male bird incubates it, male bird give heat and warmth to the egg. This incubation period is for 2 months. In these 2 months, male bird will not eat any food. They hardly drink water. They are so protective, they will not even let females to get near to the egg. And they lose 1/4 of the body weight during the process. So the male bird sacrifices most of the life just like we men do.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಭಯ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಟ್ ಪಾಪ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ನಮಗೇ ಭಯ ಆಯಿತು. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಗಿಡ್ತಂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೀರೆಂದು ಉಪ್ಪುನಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅವು ಶೈನ್ ಉಂಡು, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅತ್ತು ತರ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಉಂಡು ಅದ.
Okay, so the enclosure of the setup you see here is called aviary. Aviary means an artificial house for birds where different species live together like a community. So this happens only if these birds are in captivity. In wild, they don't coexist with the other ones. They are all very independent. So before walking in, you guys have to know they are all smaller species of birds, so they can't take in a lot of noise and movement. If you guys are making a lot of noise and movement inside, they'll just stay in their place and they won't come to us. And the whole point of walking us inside for interaction will be noise. So you just see the birds sitting there. So if you want the birds to come on you, please be silent and don't move. Sit on the stone slab there. The birds will decide if they want want to come and don't touch them. We will help you with the interaction.
Okay, listen up. I need you all to be silent. Okay? Please be silent. Put your hands flat.
తలకొచ్చావు ఫుడ్ ఉండు నేను పాపం ಬಲೆ 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 ಅವು ಫುಡ್ ಉಂಡು ನಿನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಡು ರೇಪು ಅಮ್ಮ ಚುಚ್ಚುಂಡು ಯಾರಿನ ಕೈಗೆ ಬರ್ಪುನು ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾನು ಕಣ್ಣಗೆ ಬರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು, ತುಂಬ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.